Greetings to everyone. My name is Narishan Rajendran. I am from Polytechnic College Terengganu. First of all, as for today, I'm going to presenting about my project. One of my project name is volunteering in digital, Vkasih trends and innovation in volunteer app development. Um, so, firstly, thankful for everyone for giving me this chance to presenting about this. Let's go to the contents. In the contents, I will tell about the stakeholder, product introduction, methodology which I used, problem statement, objectives, project scopes, and final design and conclusion. As for the stakeholder, it's a JKM, it's a public sector um, organization which known as Jabatan Kebajikan Masyarakat JKM, aka JKM, which is also stands for Social Welfare Department of Malaysia, in an agency under the Minister of Women, Family and Community and Development. It is responsible for implementing social welfare programs. They also do events, programs, trainings. Then they are volunteering services across Malaysia, including in the state of Terengganu, which is my college state. JKM also aims to enhance the well-being and the quality of life for individual and communicating in need through various support and innovation programs. As for the product introduction, I will little about introduce about the project's metrics. First of all, is project introduction is Vkasih is innovation social social volunteer platform developed under the supervision of JKM, Jabatan Kebajikan Masyarakat, designed to enhance volunteer engagement and address resource scarcity through efficient redistribution. It also mainly user-friendly interface for citizens to register as a volunteer and participate in the activities like food distribution, community cleanups, educational programs, a lot of programs which are organized by them. Most importantly, volunteer can update their details, provide the feedback by using email, and contributes to aiding continued improvement by the system base. As for the methodology, I use agile method, which is very frequent method for everyone, which more suitable method for most of the projects. Agile methodology allows for flexibility and continuous improvement, so this phase may overlap and interaction may occur as the project progress. Regular communication and collaboration among the project teams and stakeholders are essential ensure to successful Vkasih application development and implementation process. As for the problem statement, as known as there's four problem statements. Firstly, number of volunteers become decreased due to smaller circumstances surrounding as a time consistent, lack of awareness and accessibility organization factors. Second point is volunteer doesn't have experience, because there's so many type of people in this world, so such as handling citizens or like okay, you will have a disabilities problems category, and then orphans, homeless and other categories. Third is less communication method informing volunteer regarding the following citizen who needs help. Fourth is registration method for volunteer to more to manual, like a form method, indicating more paperwork and more time taken handling the volunteer information, because they need to scroll up everything. If digital wise, you just search this name, this or this address, it come up, drop down. Yeah. For the objective, we mainly two objective is mainly consist. First of all, is to provide a platform for citizens to register as a volunteer under supervision of JKM, and to develop event slash or training module to based on category of JKM for enhance the skill of volunteer. For the project scope, There's two people, volunteer and admin. Volunteer can able to update their basic details, able to join training set by JKM, can provide feedback on their experience using the application, and able to register, log in, update their basic product, and then apply to be volunteer like user, apply to be volunteer, and then able to see the confirmation status. As for the admin, they can do registration user to update their own details, execute the confirmation of the status of the user to be a volunteer, and able to add, edit, delete events or training option for volunteer to join and can respond the feedback given by volunteers. As for the final design, this is the my flowchart diagram flow DFD, and then this entity ERD. You can see the flow system, how the system goes, and then how the system various open the tables that include one database include to various data tables. This one is the main page for the front end, which is web based. Register panel for admin, login page, state section, because they were one by one. After one by one, it will come out cities, location, events, volunteer section. Setting is for the main part, the main page, and then for the user section, user can like a normal user able to first register. After register, they can get their own email. They go into the system, and then they need to update their details. From the update their details, they can go and fill up their everything, and then they will pop out a button area which is apply for volunteer. And then once they confirm to be volunteer, they will go out to the volunteer section. It will automatically turn to different panel which is regarding about showing this type of things. There's the available seats. Once the I'm click on I'm interested, it will disappear, means the available seat will be cut down to be how many seaters are there. If once another time I press again and I'm interested, it will pop out. You already joined the event. In this particular section, the all user can view details and see the location of the particular program or event. And this one for the app base, which is same thing, only thing is different display method. And then conclusion, as for the conclusion, because it stands as an innovation solution development under the JKM supervision, aims to enhance volunteer engagement, addressing the scarcity through effective registration. When it's friendly interface, volunteer can easily register, participate in the various activities, fostering a sense of community involvement. The platform's admission tools streamlines event management, ensuring the smooth coordination and high volunteer satisfaction by integrating with external system and utility data analyze. Vkasih optimize resources allocation and reduce the food wastage and all type of wastage, contributing to its mission of addressing resources to the scarcity. And that's all. Thank you all from me.